Hey, do you have a lot of large video files that are difficult to work with? I will show you how to use Final Cut and the integrated Astodi media management software, which makes your daily work easier, even in teamwork. Let's see the details. If you don't have an Astodi account yet, all you have to do is register. If you already have one, sign in and try this new feature. As you may know, Astodi is an advanced media management solution. You can easily access your large video library via a simple Chrome browser anywhere and anytime, without having to keep the original files with you. In fact, you can easily edit, organize, or even share your files. Astodi solves major video file-related difficulties. Anyone who visits our site for the first time gets 250 HD and 4K clips for free to use, download, and test with the new Final Cut Pro export feature. Just select a few shoots and press the export button here. Then download the FCPX ML to your computer, which will be opened in Final Cut Pro. The biggest advantage of Astodi is that it uses small-size proxies. The proxies will be downloaded to your computer, which then you can edit as if you had the original ones. In addition to that, Final Cut Pro knows that you are working with proxy files. As you can see, you can easily work without the originals. You can make the final rendering in the studio with the connected originals when you are finished with the editing process. If you use the Astodi application, you can see how you can be more efficient. You will save time and money for yourself and your team as well. Sign up and use it now for free.